BMW 4A63, align the immobilizer before buying an expensive DDE or CAS. Most often, the DDE and CAS have lost their shared start authorization. Test battery voltage, then perform a BMW-capable DDE-CAS alignment before replacing either module. BMW describes 4A63 as EWS manipulation. On CAS-equipped cars, it usually means the immobilizer and diesel engine computer no longer agree on the rolling authorization required to enable fuel injection. You will mainly encounter it on BMW E-Series diesels, including E93 series, E65 series, E83X3, and E70X5 models using M47, M57, or early M47 engine gen. The usual symptom is a starter that cranks normally, but the engine never fires. Depending on the related fault, you may instead get no crank, intermittent starting, an immobilizer message, or failure after battery work. Code 4A63 does not normally threaten the engine mechanically, but it can strand you. If the BMW currently starts normally, a short direct trip for diagnosis may be reasonable, although the next restart is not guaranteed. Do not drive if it stalls, refuses to start, shows unstable electrical behavior, or you smell burning wiring. Arrange recovery rather than repeatedly cranking, which can flatten the battery and hide the original voltage problem. The cheapest cause is low battery voltage or a voltage collapse while cranking. A discharged or aging battery may only need charging and testing, while BMW battery replacement and registration typically cost about $180, $450, or $170 or $420. Next is lost DDE-CAS synchronization, often after a flat battery, jump start, programming interruption, or previous module work. A workshop alignment usually costs roughly $80 to $50 or $70 to 30 days when no hardware has failed. Read both the DDE and CAS, not just generic engine data, and save every code before clearing anything. BMW-capable phone and handheld scanners are available at carcodesauto.com. Look especially for voltage, terminal, key recognition, or communication faults. With the engine off, measure battery voltage at the BMW-approved jump terminals. Around 12.4 to 12.7 volts is typical for a charged battery. Below roughly 12.2 volts means charge and test it before continuing. Watch voltage while someone attempts to start the BMW. A drop toward or below roughly 10 volts suggests a weak battery, poor connection, or excessive starter draw. Temperature and battery condition can change that threshold. Inspect the battery terminals, main grounds, and visible power connections for looseness, corrosion, or heat damage. Switch the engine off, remove the key, and let hot or moving parts cool before reaching into the engine bay. Check the BMW fuse chart for DDE, CAS, and engine management supplies. Replace only a failed fuse with the specified rating. If it blows again, stop there because the circuit needs professional short circuit diagnosis. Try a known good spare BMW key once. If one key works and the other never receives recognition, key diagnosis is justified. If both produce the same crank no start and 4A63, concentrate on voltage and DDE-CAS authorization. After voltage is stable, use BMW ISTA or a compatible service tool and select the DDE-CAS or EWS DDE alignment function. Keep approved battery support connected and follow the tool prompts without interrupting communication. Only align the original match modules or correctly installed replacements handled under BMW security procedures. Do not buy a used DDE and expect it to plug in. Immobilizer data, coding, and vehicle identity must match. When alignment completes, clear the fault memory, switch the ignition off as directed, then restart and rescan. Successful starts with 4A63 absent close the loop. Synchronization, not an expensive module, was the actual failure. If 4A63 immediately returns, expect wiring, power supply, CAS, or DDE diagnosis. Wiring repairs may run 120, 600, or 150. Coded module repair or replacement can reach 600, 2500, or 550 to 300. If stable battery voltage and a completed DDE-CAS alignment restore starting, stop replacing parts. If alignment fails or 4A63 returns immediately, have a BMW specialist verify power, wiring, coding, and module identity.